These notes are on markups and discounts. This is section 6.9, I believe, and it's one of the last sections in this chapter. Your reference pages are pages 318 to 321. So when we talk about markups and discounts, the most important thing about it is that you recognize the vocabulary, because that's going to make a difference in what it is that you're trying to find. Markups and discounts have to do with percent of change. The markup is the amount of increase or the profit made by the store. So if they buy a shirt for $5 but they charge you $11, the markup is the $6 that they're charging you above what they paid for it. That's the markup. The selling price is $11. That's the cost plus the markup. Now, often stores, when they are getting to the end or they're ready to change out what they're selling, they put whatever's left over on a discount, and the discount is the amount of that they're going to decrease the price, and the sale price is the original price minus the discount. The discount is usually set up as a percentage, like 30% discount, 10% discount, 50% discount, depending on how much they want to get rid of it. All right. So to find the markup, you're going to multiply the cost times the percent of the markup. Now, the first thing that you're going to do is convert the markup percentage, like 67%, to a decimal, which would be 67 hundredths or 0.67. So this, the cost of this item is $10.15, and that's what they bought it for. And so they want to mark it up 67%. So we multiplied $10.15 times 67 hundredths and got $6.80. So if we add 1015 and 680, we get the selling price. $16.95 is how much they're going to charge you for that same item that they purchased at $10.15. That their profit is $6.80. So the most important thing you need to remember when you're doing this is to watch for what they're asking you for. Are they asking you for the selling price? Are they asking you for what the markup is? A lot of time on a test, they're both going to be there, because they know that sometimes students aren't paying attention to what they're being asked, and you should make sure that you pay attention to what you're being asked. Now, there is a shortcut for this. If you are looking for the selling price, if you put a 1 before the markup, and so I would put 1 and 67 hundredths and multiply that, I would come up with the answer $16.95 in one procedure. Otherwise, you have to find the markup and then add it to your to the cost that you're working with. To find the discount, you're going to multiply the percent of the discount times the selling price. Well, you have to convert the percentage to a decimal. So this one is 30%. So they've been selling this item, and now they're getting ready to change up because it's a new season. So they want to get rid of the rest of them. So they're going to reduce the price 30% to get rid of them. So we convert 30% to the decimal 0.30. Or 30 hundredths, and we multiply that times $16.95, and we find out that sale price is that discount is $5.09. So we take the discount and subtract it from the selling price, and we find out that they're going to charge you $11, and you can get this shirt or this item for $11.86. Okay, so now that was the first method. So now let's look at the second method. In the second method, you kind of do the subtraction in your head. You start with the percentage. We know that percentage is based on 100. So if you're going to have 30% discount, it means you're going to pay 70% for the item. So what you can do is subtract 30 from 100 in your head, and then you know to multiply it times 70%. So you would convert 70% to the decimal 70 hundredths and multiply that times $16.95, and you would still come out with $11.86. It's very important, though, that you're careful about what they're asking you for. So you multiply by what they're asking for. Are they asking for the sale price, or are they asking for what the discount is? So you want to be careful of that. Now you want to turn over to page 320 and do 1 through 6, and then turn the video back on and we'll check your work. Alright, let's check our work. In the first problem, they said you have $1.50 and they want to do a 70% markup. So I multiplied $1.50 times 70 hundredths and came up with $1.05 for my markup. In the second one, they have $38 and they're going to do a 58% markup and wanted to know what the markup was. So I multiplied 38 times 58 hundredths and came up with $22.04 as the markup. In number 3, I figured that one out in my head. They wanted a 50% markup on $111. So half of 100 was 50, half of 10 was 5, so that's 55, and half of $1 is 50. So it was $55.50 markup. Okay, so for 4, 5, and 6, they are doing discount. And so number 4 I did in my head because percentage is based on 100. So if they were going to do 27% of $100, it would be $27. And number 5, they did 20% of $24.50. So I multiplied that times 20%, or 20 hundredths, and got $4.90 as my discount. And for number 6, they wanted 30% of $700, so that was $210 discount. If you have any questions about this section, I'll see you in class tomorrow and I'll help you with it.